Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve x square minus x cube equal 12 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x square minus x cube equal 12. So I can write this 12 as 4 plus 8. Now this 4 and 8 I can write it as 2 square plus 2 cube. Now take all the terms together, so it becomes x square minus 2 square minus x cube minus 2 cube equals 0. So I can write this as x square minus 2 square minus x cube plus 2 cube equals 0. Now I'm going to use two very famous identities, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b, and a cube plus b cube as a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So let's apply both the identities. So it becomes x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus x plus 2 and this is x square minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Now if I take this x plus 2 as common, so what is left? X minus 2 minus x square minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So x plus 2 and this becomes x minus 2 minus x square plus 2x minus 4 equals 0. So x plus 2 here, x and x gives 3x minus 2 plus minus 4 gives minus 6 minus x square equals 0. So first this x plus 2 equals 0. So x is equals to minus 2 and here 3x minus 6 minus x square equals 0. So we can write it as minus x square plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. So if I'll take negative sign as common, so this becomes, now it's a quadratic equation. So here a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is the constant 6. So the formula of quadratic equation is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to minus minus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 6 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 3 plus minus 9 minus 24 by 2. So x is equals to 3 plus minus under root. This becomes minus 15 by 2. So x is equals to 3 plus minus root 15 iota by 2. So x1 is minus 2, x2 is 3 plus root 15 iota by 2 and x3 is 3 minus root 15 iota by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.